U.S. Navy and Army divers recently demonstrated PileMedic's rapid pile repair capabilities in Pearl Harbor, Hawaii. The demonstration was part of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers assessment of pile repair technologies for their ability to swiftly repair damaged structures and shorten repair times from months to days. PileMedic was ultimately chosen by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers because of its installation speed, strength, and versatility as a one-size-fits-all pile repair system. Repairs using PileMedic were also accessed in a variety of conditions, including darkness, rain, high winds, and rough waters. PileMedic thanks the U.S. Transportation Command, the U.S. Pacific Command, and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers for the live footage of these repairs. Visit PileMedic.com for more product information.